How to file annual report for LLC in Massachusetts. To file an annual report for an LLC in Massachusetts, follow these steps. Go to the Massachusetts Secretary of the Commonwealth website, visit https://corp.sec.state.ma.us. Next, search for your LLC. Use the Search Corporations tool to find your LLC by name or ID number. Then select File Annual Report. Once your business appears in the search, click on it and choose the option to file your annual report. You can file with or without an account. Filing with an account allows you to track submissions. Then complete the online form. You'll need to confirm or update business name and principal office address, registered agent and registered office, managers or members of the LLC, business purpose, brief description, signatory name and title. Finally, pay the filing fee, $500 for domestic LLCs. Pay by credit card or e-check. After payment, you'll receive a confirmation page and email. Save the PDF for your records. So that's how to file annual report for LLC in Massachusetts.